Hello, this is a video dedicated to the Eclipse Knight YT on how to make a Aternos Minecraft server. First step first, open a web browser. It could be Opera GX, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever it is, just open it. Then what you want to search is Aternos. Okay, I can't type Aternos like that. Or you could search free Minecraft server. If you enter that, it should come up with Aternos as the first or second link. Whatever it is, just open it, click play. Now right here you want to click sign up. You want to allow those two boxes and then click next. Then it's going to ask you for your password and then to confirm said password. And then the email is optional. If you want, you may put an email. I am going to type in my stuff and get to the main page. Okay, be right back. Alright, what you want to do is you want to click create a server. Oh, create a server. And it's a little laggy. Anyways, this is where you can change this. Click this little pencil icon to change it. You can type whatever you want in there. You just can't change the .aternos. It won't let you. Like here, like it won't let me. I can change this though. Once you're done, click this little save icon. And then, same thing for down here. You can edit this. You can actually add colors if you wanted to. If you can't see these, just click this button right here. You can see those. Then click the save icon. Now, if you click on this, you can upload an image. I recommend a 64 by 64 if you want the best looks for the image. And I think 64 by 64 is the max it will let you. And then once you have that, you can actually do Bedrock or Java. Same thing, works for both. I'm gonna do Java for the sake of this video. And click create. You should connect to Google Drive. I'm not going to. Oh, yep, skip. Alright. The automatic updates. I would set that to never if you are doing a modded server. But I'm going to set this to always, since this is a vanilla server tutorial. I will show you real quick if you want mod and stuff. This is vanilla, this is snapshots. This, you can see what this is for plugins, mods, mod packs. This is for plugins and mods. It is not up to the latest version. Oh yeah, these are Bedrock things. So Bedrock Preview, or Pocket Time. My bad, Pocket Mine for plugins. If you put it for the Java one, I don't think this is the latest version. No, this only goes up to 20. This only goes up to 20.4. I mean, if you're a big 1.16.5 player, you can do that. Oh, yeah, worth recommending. Since this is a vanilla tutorial, I'm going to click on vanilla. In the vanilla option, you have every version all the way down to 1.1. Oh, my bad. Yep. Wait. Yeah. You have all the way down to 1.1.0. You do not have 1.0, but you have 1.1.0. And all the way to 21.4. Now, I will tell you, mods and plugins, if you do set it to always and you're doing mods and plugins, I would recommend setting it to never or ask, because the plugins do not always automatically update to the latest version, and you would have to reinstall them. Plugins typically update like a few months after the version, sometimes a few weeks. But like I said, for the sake of this, we're gonna do vanilla. Now, if you didn't do anything, like when I'm gonna mute this tab. When we didn't do anything, if you didn't do anything originally, you can still do it. You can click options, and then you click this little pencil. Same thing. And then click the save icon. Same thing down here. Click the pencil. Type what you have. Click the save icon. And then 64 by 64. This controls how many players you want. So if you want, like, you can have whatever number in there. For you can do like 15 all the way to, I think, if you really want to, you can do 90,000 players. And then click the save icon. That's a lot of players on your server at once. You can change the default game mode if you want everyone in creative mode, survival, adventure, spectator. You can change the difficulty of the server. You will have to change this like in game or stuff. You can turn it to a whitelist server if you want it to be only. Whitelist is anyone who has access to the server. So even if they had the link, even if they had the IP address, they could not join the server because it will be whitelisted. Cracked, like there. Just I don't really exactly know what it means, so I'm not gonna go over it. I bet you could. I'm sure you can find a tutorial on what that means. PvP, you can turn on. You can turn if you want PvP on. Command blocks. This is for command blocks. If you want command blocks to work. Fly. You can have flying. You can have monsters. You can have the Nether. You could turn off the Nether, so Nether portals won't work. Force game mode. Like I said, you can probably find a video for that. You can do spawn protection. I'm pretty sure they removed this in the latest version, so that no longer works. You can do resource packs required, meaning anyone who joins the server has to use resource packs. Then you can type a little resource. This is promoted from the server. You can type whatever you want in here, like please download resource packs. And now, if you click this right here, this little upload button, it's gonna say this. If you open File Explorer, you can drag and drop it, or if you have it right over here in your downloads, you can drag, drop that, plop that in here. It cannot be over 250 megabytes though. That's the downside. Anyways, once you have that, you can do the players. If you go to players, this is how you do whitelist. You can have people that you want to have whitelist, or you can have people that you want to have op. You can have banned players or banned IP. So basically, a banned IP is you enter I think their username. No, you enter their IP address. If you don't know how to get this, it's actually easy. It's in the it's in the players. Their names will appear down here once they join. I could go to their names will appear down here. When they join, I believe it is, and then you can edit their thing. And you can do, then it says their IP address there. You can copy that, or you can physically go in name. If you go in game, type /ban, you get two options: /ban or /ban IP. Software is that thing that you clicked for the change. You can go here too to change to server software. You can do files, which will have all your files. I don't really have any files yet. You can do worlds. This is where you upload a specific world. If you click the upload option here, you can upload a file, or you can upload a zip arch. That's not how you say that. My bad. You can upload a zip or a folder. And you can, yeah. Or you can just do this, or you can just have this. You can have backups if you really wanted to have a backup. And then this is the access. This depends on whoever gets access to your server. So like you could type someone's thing in there, like for example, that's not how you do it. That's not how you spell it. It might be. I don't know. You can type my thing in there. I believe it is the Erase Sonic. I do not exactly remember. You can type this in here. You can click enter or add. You can give me, or you can give me if you want, or you can give anyone all permission to click save. Saves it, and then you can go back to the server. Once you have all that, you can click start, like that. So that is how you do that. Oh yeah, if you want to go back to all your servers, you can just click this server icon right here. This that's servers. Take it back to your servers. Anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye, wonderful people. Kitty out.